So as you know, we're going to make a graph regarding, there you go, absolute values. An absolute value graph looks like this. That's when f of x equals the absolute value of x. Now, what happens if you want to know about the limits of f of x equals the absolute value of x minus 4 over x minus 4? Okay, you want to be able to know the limit as it goes from the left side, the right side, and then both. So what happens is that you're going to have this function, and because of the absolute value, it's a twin thing, you're going to have two things coming out. Now, when absolute value is x greater than 0, then that means that the absolute value will be just, this will just turn into regular x minus 4 without the brackets. And that's x minus 4 over x minus 4, and that equals 1. Now, if x was negative 0, then you'd put a negative right in front of these brackets, and it's going to be negative x minus 4 all in parentheses over x minus 4. That further goes down into negative x plus 4 over x minus 4. And that further goes down into negative 1. So you see it, one is positive 1 and one is negative 1. Now that you've got your two different guidelines for the absolute value, now you're going to apply it to the limit. So as first a goes, you got the limit as x of as a limit of f of x as x approaches a from the left side, and it's going to be on the negative side because it's on the left side, and obviously you're going to be looking at this part, and that's going to be negative 1. Now if you look at the limit of f of x as x approaches a from the right side, then you're going to be looking at this part here because it's going to be positive, that's going to be 1. Then finally you've got limit as x approaches to both sides of f of x. You see there's no limit of f of x as x approaches to both sides of a. Notice that a doesn't have any other signs on it. Then you'll see that negative 1 does not equal 1, therefore the limit does not exist.